Hi everyone, I'm Mimi from Oomomo. Today I'm going to be showing you a mask keeper and how to make it. So what is a mask keeper? It is used to store your mask when you simply just want to take it off to maybe take a sip of water, but you don't know where to store your mask properly. So this is a mask keeper to temporarily store your mask. Oh wait, the materials we'll be needing today is a cutting board, A4 size file folders. So we have this really cute design from Oomomo, and also another more economic size pack, which is another A4 size pack, but a pen comes in a package. You'll need a marker, an X-Acto knife, ruler. This ruler is really special, so if we turn it around, it has a grip at the bottom, so it's non-slip, perfect for cutting. And then a pair of scissors. So to start, I'm going to choose this really cute design. And we're gonna need our cutting board. This cutting board is 22 centimeters by 15 centimeters within these mini squares. So to start, we're gonna first cut off this very edge at the bottom that seals the folders together. So this cutting board will let me align the file folder perfectly so I can make a perfect cut. And if it's not deep enough, you can just cut it again. So like this. Next, we're gonna use our X-Acto knife and cut this in half. Simply lay it flat and just let your knife slide. And now, we're gonna need our ruler. We want to make a 19 by 12 centimeters cut, just like this. So I'm going to measure 19 by centimeters. This is 12, and right above here is 19. These squares really would help me make my markings easily. And now I can cut it up. So now you have your 19 by 12 centimeters. And you can also use an eraser to erase your markings. There, all nice and clean. So next, we want to fold this in half. And then you have your ruler. You can make a crease with your ruler, just like this. Next, you want to open it up, lay it flat again, and fold it in half the other way. Again, make a crease. Now you'll see your crease in the middle. We want to make a marking right in the middle there. We want to make a marking for 1 centimeter in total, so 5 millimeters from the middle to both sides, and then all the way up to the center where you just made your crease. And now we'll cut. And cut this out, just like that. So now you can put your mask inside. So remember, the outside of your mask needs to touch the surface of this case. So you're just like this. Now you can fold it. Fold this without the outside touching anything, and you can just wrap it up, and ta-da! This is a really simple project that you can make at home. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you again soon.